Alright, once you get to this point, everything looks good. And before you go ahead and want to get the channel plate and your clutches on, you want to go ahead and do like a test on it. So we're going to come down here, second, fourth, got third right here. So you just want to kind of hear a thug. Alright, second sounds great. You just want to barely apply any pressure right here on fourth. Alright, she's working perfect. Apply too much pressure, it's going to shoot right on out. And this is third. This one's a little bit harder to get in there. Actually, it sounds great in there. Alright, that's what you want to hear. Come back up here. We'll hear the same thing. Perfect. Perfect. Alright. Everything made a nice little thug noise in there. You can hear it engaging and letting it back out once you release the air pressure, so it's doing what it's supposed to.